Hello, welcome to CMA Update. On paper number 12, B, Audit, we are going to see part 5. What are the reporting of frauds by auditor and other matters? Rule 13. 1. If an auditor of a company, in the course of the performance of his duty as statutory auditor, has reasons to believe then an offence of fraud which involve or is expected to involve individually an amount of rupees 1 crore or more, that is above, is being or has been committed against the company by its officers or employees, the auditor shall report the matter to the central government. If the fraud that has been committed by the officers or the employee, that is against the company, which is more than 1 crore rupees, shall be reported to the central government. The auditor shall report the matter to the central government as under: A. The auditor shall report the matter to the board or the audit committee, as the case may be, immediately but not later than 2 days of his knowledge of the fraud, seeking the replay or observation within 45 days. That is, if he came to know the fraud, then not later than 2 days, you have to make sure that it has been known to the board or the audit committee, and seeking the replay or observation within 45 days. You have to wait till the 45 days for the response from the audit committee or the board. B. And receipt of such replay or observation, the auditor shall forward this report and the replay or observation of the board or the audit committee along with its comments on such replay or observation of the board or the audit committee to the central government within 15 days from the date of receipt of such replay or observation. If the auditor get report or replay from the board or the audit committee, and the same can be written on the report and should be submitted within 15 days from the date of receipt of such replay or observation. Once they get replay from the board or the audit committee, they have to submit the report within the prescribed number of days as mentioned here. C. In case the auditor fails to get an replay or observation from the board or the audit committee within the stipulated period of 45 days, he shall forward his report to the central government along with the note containing the details of his report that he was earlier forwarded to the board or the audit committee, for which he has not received any replay or observation. If he gets the replay, then you have to submit within the prescribed number of days, that is 15 days. If not, if he fails, here the audit committee or the board has not given the response or the reply to the auditor, so on this matter, so the same has to be written on the report that so and so has not given the reply, and I am disclosing this on the report, and the same has to be forwarded within the stipulated period of 45 days to the central government. That's what tells in this paragraph. D. The report shall be sent to the Secretary, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, in a sealed cover by registered post with acknowledgement due, or by speed post followed by an email in confirmation of the same. The report should be sent to the Secretary to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. To the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, in a sealed cover they have to send in a registered post with the acknowledgement due and the speed post followed by the email. You have to send an email also for the confirmation of the same. E. The report shall be on the letterhead of the auditor containing postal address, email address and contact telephone number or mobile number, and be signed by the auditor with his seal and shall indicate his membership number. The report shall contain the following matters, that is email address, postal address and the contact telephone number, mobile number, and shall contain the seal and the membership number of the auditor. F. The report shall be in the form of a statement as specified in Form ADT4. A form should be filed for the report to be submitted. That's the Form ADT4. 3. In case of a fraud involving lesser than the amount specified in Subrule 1, the auditor shall report the matter to the audit committee constituted under section 177 or to the board immediately but not lesser than 2 days of his knowledge of the fraud, and he shall report the matter specifying the following: A. Nature of the fraud with description, B. Approximate amount involved, and C. Parties involved. If he came to know about the fraud, then he has to inform it to the board within 2 days, and that's the nature of the fraud. He has, with the description, he has to disclose an amount involved and the parties involved. If the parties are employee and the staff or the senior management people, then you have to disclose that also. 4. The following details of each of the fraud reported to the audit committee or the board under Subrule 3 during the year shall be disclosed in the board report. The thing that has been information given to the audit committee or the board, that has to be disclosed in the board report. What are the things? A. The nature of the fraud with description. B. Approximate amount involved. C. Parties involved if remedial action not taken. D. Remedial actions taken. These are the things that should be included in the board report. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to get more videos on this topic, and share this with your friends so that they will also get benefit out of it. Thanks for watching.